Imagine a silent town square. A place arranged for order and routine, yet suddenly broken by a single peal of laughter. That laugh, sharp and unexpected, ripples through the crowd like a secret rebellion. It calls forth memories of a time when joy itself was a dangerous act. In Puritan New England, silence was law. People feared an uncontrollable spark in the face of oppression. In 1692, Susanna Martin stood before an unforgiving court. Her laughter, whether born of irony or defiance, was heard as a sacrilege against a strict order. Authorities saw in her laugh a rejection of societal rules. It was a sound too human to be contained, too genuine to be criminalized. And so, with heavy hearts and iron resolve, they condemned a woman for simply being alive. This story of suppression did not vanish with time. In 1899 Chicago, the sound of laughter again stirred controversy. Two women, caught in the exuberance of a shared joke, found themselves facing the threat of arrest. Their voices rose with laughter that was too loud, too visible for a society afraid of unregulated joy. Although the charges were dismissed, the lesson remained. Laughter can make enemies of the powers that be. In 1872 North Carolina, a man named William Lincoln introduced a different kind of uproar. He sang hymns off-key in a sacred service. His painfully out-of-tune melody led to unexpected laughter and then legal action. The court fined him a penny for disturbing sacred order. Yet, when the case was re-examined, the Supreme Court recognized his lack of malicious intent. Still, his misfortune underscored a persistent truth: expressions of joy can be deemed disruptive in places built on stern decorum. The conflict between natural expression and societal norms persists today. Across borders, rigid laws and cultural expectations still frame the way we laugh. In Pakistan, vague legal statutes warn that a laugh, if interpreted as annoying, can land one in trouble. And in Mumbai, laughter clubs and public parks have faced legal challenges for being too disruptive. The very act of laughing, so intimately tied to our humanity, has become a legal battleground. Yet, hope shines in unexpected corners. In Yamagata Prefecture, Japan, the government has chosen to celebrate laughter rather than suppress it. An official day of laughter was established to highlight its profound health benefits. In schools, workplaces, and retirement homes, communities are encouraged to laugh freely, to share in collective resilience. This policy is not a strict command but a gentle reminder that in laughter, there is healing, in laughter, there is unity, and in laughter, there is the power to defy oppressive norms. Laughter speaks with a weight beyond sound. It proclaims, "I'm still human." It declares, "I'm not broken yet." It resounds, "You haven't silenced me." Through centuries of judgment and suppression, laughter has emerged as both a marker of joy and a weapon against control. Whether in solitary moments or shared in the community, every laugh represents a triumph of spirit over tyranny. Today, we stand at a crossroads between restraint and liberation. Look around, a young woman laughing with abandon in a park, an elderly man chuckling at a fond memory, communities coming together in shared delight. These moments invite us to remember that joy is a privilege we all share, a right we must fiercely protect. When you feel that irresistible urge to laugh, do not hold back. Embrace your right to laugh, view it as a form of personal defiance and a celebration of life.